Welcome to HSS Security Solutions serving Franklin, Tennessee. Since 1997, we've been trusted to deliver complete commercial security systems that protect businesses, schools, healthcare facilities, and government organizations across Middle Tennessee. We provide integrated systems that include fire alarms, intrusion alarms, access control, CCTV cameras, and 24/7 alarm monitoring. From design and permitting to installation and certification with the authority. Having jurisdiction, we handle every step to ensure your system is reliable and compliant. Our commercial security packages are scalable and tailored, whether you're protecting a retail store, an office complex, or a large industrial facility. We combine advanced technology with decades of experience to keep your people, property, and assets secure. If you're in Franklin or Williamson County, call HSS Security Solutions today at 615-444-1400 or visit hsssecurity.net. Trusted since 1997 to provide professional commercial security systems with cameras and alarms.